356 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 14th October. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 14th October, 479 people recovered in last 24 hours. 5 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 39,438. Total active cases in the state stands at 4,188. Total recovered cases stands at 34,731. Total 519 deaths are reported till 14th October. Goa's recovery rate is 88.6%. Total samples tested till 14th October are 2,76,457. Breakup of total 4,188 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 114, CSC Sakre 215, CSC Pernam 102, CSC Valpai 117, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 230, USC Panji 215, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldana 102, PSC Petki 93, PSC Kandolim 200, PSC Kansarvarnam 36, PSC Korwai 83, PSC Kolem 98, PSC Chimbal 266, PSC Shuolim 124, PSC Pororem 304, PSC Maim 28, Travelers by Road Flight Train 3. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 111, CSC Kankona 108, Urban Health Center, USC Markau 287, USC Vasco 232, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 67, PSC Kansaulim 61, PSC Chinchanim 31, PSC Kortalim 182, PSC Kurtorim 66, PSC Lutolim 60, PSC Marsayam 66, PSC Kapam 99, PSC Sangam 46, PSC Shirada 49, PSC Darabandara 53, PSC Ponda 265, PSC Navilim 75. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 14th October are as follows. District North total capacity 469, current vacancy 217. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 724. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.